right, everybody, welcome. Just some updates. We had the writing assignment that is past due, so make sure to complete that. Okay. We've also got coming up here at the end of this week and early next week. Be on the lookout. Oh, Angel, make sure you got. What was that? Be on the lookout. We've got the next notebook check on the horizon, as well as an online test tomorrow. Part one of our online test is tomorrow, so have your notebooks fully ready, up to date for that. Again, the last day you'll be able to work on part one, I believe, is Monday. So don't wait any later than Monday afternoon to finish that. And then part two is going to be on Monday for you guys to access and complete as well. And that will be due no later than Tuesday afternoon. So again, online test, and we've got the notebook check. So you guys will be logging in tomorrow and Monday just for a quick attendance, for like 2-minute attendance. And then you guys will take your test or get your notebooks up to date or complete missing work. Again, just make sure to get things done in a timely manner. That way you get the full points. Let me see. I think I had someone else join attendance. Let me go and get them real quick. Okay, let's see. Join class. One second, guys. Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate. Help me out with that. Okay. So with that being said, the first thing I want you guys to make sure you wrote down was the eclipses, right? And so with the eclipses, just know what blocks what. There may be a question or two tomorrow on your online test where I give you one of these blank and you have to tell me what it is, right? Or answer a question about it. So in a lunar eclipse, that is when the moon is being blocked from the sun by the earth, right? The moon is being blocked by the sun. The moon is being blocked by the earth from the sun. So usually the moon here, as you can see, it sits above the penumbra or below the penumbra. You don't need to know umbras and penumbras. You're fine. Just know the planets and where they're located with the sun and the moon. If it goes right behind the Earth's shadow, okay, that is going to be that lunar eclipse, right? And we get sometimes a blood red moon from that. It's really cool. Then when there's a solar eclipse, when you hear that more from the news, right? That's going to be when the moon actually blocks the sun from the earth. Again, this only happens every couple of years in certain areas, a couple of times a year across the earth. But again, you have to be in the right specific spot. So kind of you see a very small area, it's going to cover certain times of the year. So I think the next one, as far as I last checked, said it'd be 2024. So we have 3 more years till we get another one here in North America. Any questions on the eclipses? Again, in the lunar eclipse, the earth is in the middle. In the solar eclipse, the moon is in the middle. Okay, let's go over our next topic. Okay, on the test, you guys are also going to be having to know these again, these quick climate questions, right? I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so just know that the closer it is to a night, again, you can go ahead and you can write this down on page 11 as well. Let me see if I can get the drawing with it. Yeah, so write that down on page 11 as well. Summer is going to be closer to 90 degrees. Winter is going to be closer to 30 degrees, right? Kind of like the temperature numbers, right? So keep in mind, this is on page 11 or 10. Draw these solar ray arrows, right, as well. Okay, let me find another picture as well. 1 second. I'll give you a moment to write that down. One moment, everybody. One moment. Looking for a certain picture on Google Images. Give me 1 second, everybody. Okay, I think this is the one. All right. So another picture we'll look at. Okay, another one we'll look at here is this one. Okay. So here, what I'll say is, again, we're in the northern hemisphere. So again, make sure to write down Florida is in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so Florida. Okay, and the northern hemisphere, when it's tilting away, as you can see, this is going to be winter. Okay, why? Because it's tilting away from the sun, right? Again, don't forget Florida is in the north. All right. So in another case, I can't draw it. I can't draw that. In another case, okay, if it's tilting towards the sun in the north, what season is Florida going to be in instead? Summer, right? Summer. Okay. So again, and then down here, I'll write summer down here. And again, guys, I'm writing with the mouse here, so apologies if it's harder to read. But seasons all have to do with, they all have to deal with how the angles are hitting the planet. So if it's a direct hit, like a 90-degree hit like you see down here, that is going to be, again, the hot season, summer. If it's tilting away where the degree is going to be smaller, right? So we saw this earlier, right? This one, okay? If it's going that way, like it's farther away, that's winter, okay? So there, I just wanted to go over those real quick because there are some questions on our test tomorrow for that. Okay, let's go and play a little quick review game with Kahoot, and then you guys may sign out and get your makeup work completed.